Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. To all our beautiful and wonderful subscribers, we say thank you so much for staying with us. And if you're new here, you're welcome. We're happy you find us. Thank you for following us. Don't forget to hit on that notification bell. Don't forget to like our videos, share our videos, and hit on the notification bell so you'll be notified for more upcoming videos. And in the comment section, please note the regrettive comments. Thank you for watching. So we'll see you in our next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. We love you. Bye.
You can't tell them to go and keep that boy after the doctor has confirmed that he's dead, and nobody has suggested to you that there is suspicion.
Exactly.
With respect to the cause of death. The only reasonable thing for a man to do is please go and bury him. And he won't even be there when they are buried because it is a taboo. So he left. It was later.
Okay, what is a taboo? What is a taboo? What is a taboo, dear sir?
It's a taboo for a father of a child, either a boy or a girl. It is a taboo in Yoruba land for a father to bury his own child.
To be present during the burial.
Present, he was. So he couldn't have. He has no business being in that place in the first place. After he has confirmed that the boy is dead, he just had to leave and give instruction. And he's the only person that can give instruction. Okay, what next? The boy has died. You have abandoned him. You are not giving us stories. That you are not telling him that somebody killed him. The picture you painted is that he is sick. He reacted to. I don't know the story they gave. They just gave me one story, and he felt you can't keep him here forever now. Go and bury him.
Yeah, bury him.
Then he said he has a property somewhere at undeveloped property at Ikorodu, and he left. 3 days after he was buried, or 2 days after he was buried, that was when some information were now coming out that the Lagos State to say, okay, they should go and exhume him. It was there, right there, the same way, because he wasn't there when the incident happened, so he has no reason to suspect anybody.
Yeah.
It was the imagined facts that were coming out that now felt, but I saw this, I saw a two-way soak in blood.
Yeah.
He even did not give me a detailed explanation. He said he had a fight with Prime Boy on Sunday. Will somebody bleed from Sunday till Tuesday that he died? And the blood will still be fresh. Do you understand? These are the facts, because some people, I have listened to so many commentaries. In my head, the only thing I just tell God is that God, let them be in Baba Mohbad's shoe so that they will know where it pinches.
Amen. All the people that are vilifying him, castigating him, criticizing him for this, the simple prayer is that may they experience what Aloba had experienced so that they too can know what to do in that situation. That's exactly what the lawyer said. So let's continue to listen, because I said the reason why we are listening to the lawyer is in respect of tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 2nd. So you know, on the 11th, when Cynthia and her team did not come to the court, yes, they did not come. Oh, they said they were at Abuja, they said they were this, they said they were that. Aloba's family, as well as their lawyer and their team, they went there. So tomorrow, and they adjourned the case to 2nd. So 2nd now is just tomorrow. But what activity will take place tomorrow is in Tomashele Lola, Oni lawyer yi, etetike gbodada to nse lalaye.
You are not saying he has not buried the boy. Why will he bury the boy? Because now, how are we so sure? Please, how are we so sure that Mohbad did not discover one thing?
Question.
And it was what triggered his death.
Jerry Ben. Wípé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń pariwo pé kán lọ sí Mohbad, láì tí jẹ́ wípé wọ́n parí, they have not finished the findings. That how are we so sure that it was not what he saw or heard, or ṣé mọ̀ pé àwọn tó wà nínú mọ́tò gan wọ́n tí padà sọ nǹkan tó fa ìjà. Spending Prime Boy, because before Prime Boy kó tó di pé wọ́n lé Prime Boy bọ́lẹ̀, ṣèbó ní ohun tó gbọ́ tó fi ń pariwo pé kán má jà, gbogbo àṣírí ìdẹ̀ ló máa padà tú. Mo dá ọ̀rọ̀ padà sọ́dọ̀ Prime Boy nígbà tí wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n pe orúkọ ẹ̀ pé kó máa bọ̀, wípé wọ́n tún kọ orúkọ ẹ̀ mọ́ kinní kan. He's just looking at the angle of wọ́n lọ tí wọ́n lé ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà ńbẹ̀ ni wípé in tó gbọ́ nínú mọ́tò ó mọ̀ pé ò tí ì sọ ẹ bá padà débi tẹ́ ti máa sọ ẹ máa sọ because iṣẹ́ ìjà ṣàdédédé ni tó ń já gold àbí ṣé diamond mọ́yàn lọ́rùn. So who knows whether it was what he had that triggered whoever that pied him. So now let's move on. Sorry, please, let me. Josie ló ń purọ́ àbí?
Sir, I am a lawyer. There is something we call the doctrine of last sin. The doctrine of last sin in law means.
Please, let me. Before the lawyer continue. Ẹ bá máa ti block here. Mo fẹ́ sọ fún ni Esther Adéyínká bọ́n ṣe pariwo bọ́n ṣe purọ́ fún bí Josie ṣe jẹ́ onírọ́. Ìwọ náà máa padà jẹ́ onírọ́ lórí social media tó máa sọ̀rọ̀ tọ́rọ̀ ẹ ò ní tà. Lórúkọ Jésù. O máa sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ báyìí because you will not have helped me block her. You just have allowed me to answer her. Thank you. Because she has always been coming to come and comment. This is an elderly person, o. Àwọn àgbàlagbà tí ò jẹ́ kí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ kó ní òye. This Esther Adéyínká, that's her account name. I will go and unblock her and I will still give her the answer that is due to her. She's an elderly person. Instead of you, irọ́ wo ni Joseph Aloba pa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Àbí ṣé òun ló sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ báyìí àbí lọ́ọ̀yà ẹ̀? DNA is the answer. God bless you. Let's continue. The lawyer just mentioned that there is the law of what is called a last sin, meaning that the people that are around, they are supposed to have answer, and that is what everybody has been agitating on. Wípé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà nulẹ̀ títí di sin wọn sọ̀rọ̀ wọn sòótọ́.
Means that it is the person who saw the disease alive last that has a reasonable explanation as to the cause of his death, or is the suspect to the person's death. That's what the law says. I didn't propound the law. So the talking of last sin means it is the people who are with him 24 hours, 48 hours before he died.
Yeah.
That will be considered a prime suspect. And one of them is Wumi. Now,
Barrister, I don't want you to call names here.
No. It's already in public space.
Okay.
It's already in public space.
Because, no, sir, because we as broadcasters, professional broadcasters, anybody where you mention in name, we suppose call the person, make we hear
I'm not accusing him. I'm not accusing him. I'm only saying the people who were with Mohbad 48 hours, 24 hours before he died.
Yes, sir.
He's on the public space. Everybody knows the people that were with him. So I'm only saying they are the only person that can furnish us with reasonable explanation as to the cause.
Yes, sir.
Let me stop there. Now let's go to the issue of DNA.
Let's go to the issue of DNA. Everybody.
Mama's steamer pot is back in stock.
The Aloba family felt that there are so many news flying on the social media space that require, that has questioned the paternity of the boy. And in order to clear all doubts, in order to clear
paternity of which boy?
Liam.
Who is Liam?
The alleged son of Mohbad.
Oh, okay. So continue.
So the reason why the Aloba family deem it fit that, okay, please let us clear all doubts as to the paternity of this boy, because if the Aloba family can ascertain that, okay, indeed this boy is that of Mohbad,
Yes.
then at least the suspicion with respect to the cause of death will reduce.
Okay. Behind the motive will now be either confirmed. The motive for the murder will either be confirmed or neutralized.
Yes.
Exactly. You understand? This is the motive. It has nothing to do with vilifying anybody or trying to castigate or throw somebody under the bus.
Yeah.
Now, if I were to be the mother of this boy, this thing will not even get to public space. I will willingly bring it, because there was a time Mr. Aloba, the Aloba family, reached out to her to bring the boy. Let us do DNA to clear all doubts. Because see, the death of Mohbad is a public interest litigation that generated so many people. So whatever the family wants to do to satisfy their curiosity
has to be made public.
leave it to them. You don't need to play games. Except there's something we don't know that is in the secrecy.
Okay.
No, when can you hear me, sir?
Yes, go ahead, sir.
So when they reach out to her, from what Mr. Aloba told me, she was not ready to bring the boy for DNA. That was what prompted Baba going to court.
So where are we now in court? And what should we expect?
Good. So I just came into the
question is, where are we now in court? And Oladayo Ogungbe is trying to explain his role. Like, yes, I just came in, but these are the steps that I have taken. So for those people who are supporting the Ademajos and are saying, she has been ready all through Methuselah's days. Is Aloba that is lying? Is Aloba? Okay, tomorrow now is another meeting day, because the lawyer has taken every step that he ought to take. So it is for them. As in, one need láti sá mọ́, ẹ máa bọ̀, ẹ wá jẹ́ akájọ sọ. Anyway, listen to the lawyer.
And when I came in, before I came in, I saw what has been done in the court. I saw the order the court had previously granted. Now, like
he said, he saw the order that was previously granted, though, because meaning that you remember, wípé tẹ́lẹ̀ when Shitu was administering whatever that he was doing, he is not going to the court himself, because his position is way above a magistrate court. He's sending somebody there. So they now said, okay, there's an order. They should have used fluid or whatsoever. It was not present. Now they needed somebody whose position will be able to conform with the magistrate and face whatsoever. So Kini, let's just listen. That's why I said listen very well. Oh, me, I'm not your good analyst, but at least I know that this one information we are hearing here can help us better. So listen.
They say the mind of the judge is like a still water.
The mind of the judge is like
it is lawyers that determines the direction.
Lawyer determines the direction. So
meaning you have to avert the mind of the court to certain things. Because if you can bring an application before the court, as long as the other party did not object to it, the court will grant it. But the problem you are now going to be facing is that court has granted another that will be subjected to multiple interpretation and enforcement. Now, the order that was earlier granted was DNA should be done. Part of the second order was that it should be done outside Nigeria. But the court did not now state how the procedure for taking sample. Are they going to take sample? Are they going to take over sample in the public and take a sample in the private? Or they will take both of them together? Now,
you can gbọ́ nǹkan tí lọ́ọ̀yà yẹn sọ wípé tí àwọn agbẹjọ́rò ní wípé káwọn lè sọ wípé kọ́ ní gbogbo nǹkan tá fojú rí tó máa fojú rí ohun dẹ̀ nígbésẹ̀ tó jẹ́ wípé agbẹjọ́rò tuntun yìí tó ti ṣe wípé òkè báwo lọ́ ṣe fẹ́ gba sáàpù wọ́n kàn pariwo èmi náà gan pẹ̀lú wọ́n máa gba sáàpù ni o, wọ́n máa gba sáàpù ni. How will it be collected? So everything have been documented by this lawyer. Òun ló ń ṣe lálàyé mo sọ pé mo ní ká gbọ́ nǹkan tó máa sọ torí ọ̀la kan náà máa gba sáàpù o ẹ gbọ́.
Those people that are going to be present, where in particular do they want to do the DNA? Because the other party can tell you they have a place they want to use. Baba can say, I have a place I want to use. But I say, no, this is the place I want to use. And the question, another controversy is that what is the nature of the DNA that ought to be performed? As at the last autopsy that was done, corona inquest that was done on Mohbad, the pathologist that gave evidence said Mohbad does not have any fluid on him again. So the only thing that can be done is a tissue-based DNA. It's a tissue-based, there is no fluid, there is no blood. So what is left is tissue. They can pick maybe his bone, his teeth. Even I'm not sure if perhaps maybe he will still. So it is going to be a tissue-based DNA. So by the time there is no facility in Nigeria that can do a tissue-based DNA. The only one that was available, that was newly built by Lagos State, was born to need the answers. So the only reasonable way to go about it is to conduct this DNA in US and in UK. So what I have
no, sorry, sir. But I remember when me and the first PRO talked that time, he even mentioned the state and the hospital where they go to do they carry the sample go. But I don't know whether na DNA have been an autopsy be that one.
That's autopsy. That's autopsy.
Okay.
That one is cause of death. And I'm not sure, but I think they did it in Nigeria and they said it was inconclusive.
Inconclusive.
Yeah.
Exactly what they said, because we even in America, they can ascertain the cause of death of a disease person even after 10, 30 years.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But this one, they said is inconclusive. Who is lying? We don't know. But to tell you that this thing is shrouded in secrecy, there are so many unanswered questions. So when we came in, we saw the lacuna in the order of the courts. We saw that this process can be manipulated, and we advised the Aloba family. Okay, so do your research. Get me an internationally renowned DNA center in US and another DNA center in UK. And they got DNA Diagnostic Center is in Ohio, in United States.
First one, yeah.
And we got another one, Orchid Cellmark in UK. These are internationally renowned DNA where they even do cut other DNA in UK, US.
That's the two.
They are
centers.
very reliable.
Yeah.
Their integrity is so. I said, okay, once we can. So what I needed to do now is to prepare a fresh application, which I did.
Yeah.
And I put all the procedure there that the court should grant an order for us to conduct the DNA in these two places. It is going to be.
Now, the reason why I am doing this live stream, one or two persons have come and be like, what about the DNA? Ṣé wọ́n ti ṣe ni? Wọ́n ṣe o. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Wọ́n ti pààrọ̀ lọ́yà. Kí dẹ̀ ló fa pípààrọ̀ lọ́yà? What brought that about? Number one, Sanshitu is a SAN and his position can't enter into the court like he did at the corona to come and be defending a DNA. His boys are the one going, and so the boys that are going, wọ́n kò sí gbígbọ́njẹ́gbọ́njẹ́ bí kọ́má di wípé wọ́n débẹ̀ ẹnu wọn ò lè mú tán. So nísìn wọ́n gba ẹni tó jẹ́ wípé ó máa lè mójútó, ó máa lè sọ̀rọ̀, ó máa lè fojú wo gbogbo àwọn nǹkan. Ẹni yìí ló wá ń ṣàlàyé sìn wípé nǹkan tó ń ṣe òun ti gbégbésẹ̀ lórí ẹ̀, òun dẹ̀ ti ṣàlàyé ẹ̀. So ọ̀la báyìí ọ̀la iṣẹ́ ọ̀la òun ní gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó jẹ́ wípé agbẹjọ́rò yìí tó ń ṣe lálàyé sìn ló máa jẹ jáde. So ẹ jẹ́ ká máa farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ lọ.
The expenses are going to be borne by the applicant, the Aloba family. They are ready I have enumerated the procedure. They are going to take the sample. Everybody will be there when they are taking Mohbad sample. The Wumi will be there. Baba Mohbad will be there. Wumi lawyer will be there. I will be there. Then a court official, any person appointed by the court, maybe the welfare officer, will be there when they are taking
the sample.
Mohbad sample.
Yeah.
Then right there, they will take the arm sample. Everybody will be there. And they will seal it. They will seal it. Apparently, I even put it there that the people that should take the sample should be representative of these two laboratories.
Sherry, see, all these things that this lawyer is saying, he has written it down. He has documented everything, like he's explaining now. He has documented everything inside. manifest be church. Yes, it will be seen, displayed tomorrow. All this thing that he's saying, because Baba Mohbad was at Berekete on the 19th, and ordinary Isa called this new lawyer on phone, and so the new lawyer has specified in writing what application he made to the court. The DNA court is a family matter. Listen, it is not government that called for DNA. It is Joseph Oluwabamiwo Aloba. Because of all the things that they were hearing, do this, this is what happened, and meanwhile, and the proof that Mohbad also mentioned, the reason why he forestalled the wedding from taking place in the registry or whatever further level, beyond the introduction that they had. So the lawyer now has documented it, and he will be taking it item by item tomorrow, before the lawyer of who is this person, Akingbolu, as well as it's not Joseph that called for DNA, it's the public. Which public? So it's the public that is there now. They play.
We inform them they will come down to Nigeria. We'll pay for their tickets. We sort it. They will verify them. Or in the alternative, we'll get an independent pathologist in that hospital. They will take the blood sample. Then immediately, all of us will monitor the process of how they are going to send it through DHL or FedEx to this.
He has mentioned the courier services that they will use. So it's not as if when they collect the sample now that Baba Mohbad is the one traveling with it, or it's Wunmi traveling with it. No. Tó bá gba sample lára Liam, tó gba sample lára, you all of you know pé òkú ni Mohbad. Wọ́n ṣá lè gbókú wá sínú court. Àbí ṣé inú court náà máa lọ gbé Mohbad láti ibi tó ti gbé sí láti jọ́ ẹ̀ náà máa gbé wá torí wọ́n fẹ́ mú sample. Alààyè ló ń lọ bókú níbi tó wà. Ọmọ kékeré kúkú ni kò kúkú mọ nǹkan kan. So àwọn tó fẹ́ gbà wọ́n á jọ kó gbogbo wọn lọ bẹ̀, wọ́n á gbà public ni. Yes, I may try to understand the person that say it is the public that called for. No, the issue is the public is supporting Aloba. Egba, have that understanding with it. You only came to support ni. Okay, now that they said Aloba's family visited the case, and they called for, and they chose 3 administrators, leaving a slot for Cynthia if eventually she's killed whatever thing that has been placed before her. Ṣé orúkọ yín ló wà ńbẹ̀? Ṣé orúkọ mi ló wà ńbẹ̀? Number 1, they mentioned somebody that is Kite lórúkọ ẹ̀ náà. Wọ́n dárúkọ Múyìwá, wọ́n dárúkọ Blessing sí. Wọ́n wá sọ wípé ayé wọ́n kódà wọ́n olórí ẹbí ilé wọn òun lóbìnrin tó sọ wípé okay, she's going to be, they have put that thing in order. So when we are saying that it is the public, yes, thank you public for your support, for your love. But then èmi máa ń sọ kankan, ẹ bá kò ṣe ọmọ wa ló kú ni. Àsìn ọmọ tí mo bí àbọ̀mọ yín. Ẹni ìgbà tó máa mú gbogbo ẹ̀ tó máa dà. Abẹ́rẹ́ newspaper publication yẹn ni. Ẹ má ṣì mí gbọ́ o. Newspaper publication yẹn sọ wípé Aloba's family revisit. Wọ́n dẹ̀ gbé gbogbo, wọ́n ní pé okay, before this person with reasonable doubt that Leof is the okay, moderator, ẹ bá wa dá wọn lóhùn. So now let me tell you this now. What the lawyer has itemized, they will go and deliberate on it tomorrow. They will go and deliberate on it tomorrow ni. So it is expected that Cynthia, our lawyer, and everybody should be there. Ẹ tún máa wò dán lọ́la o. Ẹ tún máa wò k'Ọlọ́run kó ṣàánú wa.
These places, we'll get their contact, we'll create a WhatsApp group. All of us will be there so that they can give us the progress.